Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that little bell for all the alerts. You know we do some good stuff here. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. Today we're going to make a quick-ish and easy chili verde, pork chili verde. Alright guys, we're back. Here's the finished product. Little pork chili verde. Got me some tortillas to go with it. Alright, so if you're going to come on down, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this quick and easy. Alright, so I've already chopped up this pork. Alright, I've kind of took out some of the fat, took out some of the silver skin, a little of the connective tissue. So this is shoulder, this is loin. I just want to have fun with both. So I've already dry rubbed this one overnight and just some garlic, lemon, chili deal, which we'll go back to last night and I'll show you how we get this ready for dry rub. So cut to last night now. All right guys, so this is CJ from the night before I started cooking this thing because I want to put a little rub on this. Not a lot, because this is going to be basically braising in a pan. I got one of these just throwaway metal tin pans that I'm going to put on the grill with the smoker box, you know, low and slow for 4 or 5 hours. So, but I wanted to kind of show you what I was doing. I just got just a little simple rub. It's salt-free because a lot of this stuff already has some salt in it. I don't want to overpower it. So it's Fiesta lime. I wanted something kind of Fiesta-y, Mexican-y, whatever, because we're doing this a little bit differently. All right. So I'm gonna take this pork. This is just a pork loin. Okay. I did not want to do the whole shoulder, butt, whatever thing. I think this will be enough for what I need and provide some pretty good flavor. So I'm gonna put a liberal amount in here, but not totally like go nuts with it. All right. Just do both sides, do a little fat cap. So I only use, you know, a good quarter of the bottle. Just enough to kind of get the flavor in there. I'm gonna let this set overnight in the fridge. Then I'll take it out. See, we got a little, get it in there, get some flavors working. What? Throw it up in the air, catch it. Don't drop it. Whoa, coming at you. Whoa, coming at you. That's right. Having some fun with this one this weekend. And we're back. So you got to see what we did last night. Now we're gonna do what to do today. So the way we're gonna make this easy is we're just gonna use some green enchilada sauce and some roasted diced green chilies. Okay. I don't have time to peel tomatillos, get poblanos, all the other peppers and crap you put into a real chili verde sauce. And I try to make things easy for you guys. I don't want to have to go through all that jazz. If you want to see how they really do some chili verde, you know, how they get all the fresh ingredients, all that jazz, take it on down the line. I'm sure someone out there will show you how to roast everything and peel everything and cut up everything and blend everything. You and I don't got time for that. We're manly men, just want to meet, we want to hook it up, we want to cook it. The only thing that's going to do a little different about this one is going to take some time. It's going to take a little time on the grill. By the way, I'm putting it on the grill. We're using that smoke box from last week. I'm gonna give it another go. We're gonna take all this shoulder, the pork shoulder, and we're gonna put it in this handy dandy throwaway tin and cover it with this stuff and a little bit of chicken stock, which is in the cupboard. Forgot to bring it out here, but look down below, you'll see all the ingredients I used, okay? So I'm gonna prepare this, basically just taking the meat, put it in here, taking this stuff, put it over the meat, put it on the grill. Easy peasy. All right, so I'm gonna step that up real quick, and we'll go out to the grill. Now, one thing I keep forgetting to mention is we're using this chili verde for two things. One, I'm making some dinner tonight for the fam, and the other thing is I'm part of a poutine challenge. Now, I'm gonna cut to right now to a picture of the definition of poutine that I took from my phone, those screenshots, so you can kind of see what it is. But I'm gonna make it calified, all right? So I'm gonna use the pork chili verde for my meat and the gravy that normally goes over the poutine. So poutine is meat, a brown gravy, French fries, and cheese curds. Well, I don't know where the hell to find cheese curds in Southern California. I'm sure if I really looked hard, I could find it, but I'm not gonna do that. We are going to use queso fresco, which I'm gonna crumble up like cheese curds, and a little cubed up pepper jack cheese, and we'll put it all together, and I'll show you all that stuff in the next video. That I'll put the link up here for it. You see it, and then you'll see how it goes. But with that challenge, it's 6 American YouTuber cooking channels, barbecue cooking channels. It's against 6 Canadian cooking channels, which I'll put the links down below for all their channels. All great people. It's gonna be a good time. Okay, this is the longest intro I've ever shot. I'm tired. I need a breath. All right, come on back. We'll be outside on the grill. Hopefully the smoker box is getting going, and we'll be ready to put this thing together on there. We're gonna do the loin just by itself, let it smoke too. See what happens. Come on back. All right, team, we're back. We're back outside in the Oasis. Now, damn it if I didn't brag about our weather last week, and it's damn cloudy out here. I hear it's supposed to rain in the next couple of days. Who the hell does that happen in Southern California? It don't rain in Southern California. There's even a song about it by Tony. It never rains in Southern California. If you listen real closely, you'll hear it playing underneath my talking right now, because I love that song. I love me some Tony. Anyway, all right, so again, in the backyard, I gotta have a beer while I'm queuing in the backyard. All right, let's go over to here, and I'll show you what we got going on. All right, smoker box is full in effect. Still got that Jack Daniel's wood chips in it. I'm sorry I'm a little hoarse. My son had a little basketball game this morning, and Papa Bear screamed like crazy, so a little hoarse, but we're gonna figure this out. All right, come back down on this, T. All right, so we got our mock chili verde over here. It's green, it has chilies in it. It's chili verde, it's not mock, it's the hardcore, easy way to do it. I got this loin that we're just cooking up, this pork loin. I was really just originally gonna do the pork loin in the chili verde sauce, but then I realized that it probably wasn't gonna break down the way I wanted it to. So I went ahead and bought some pork shoulder or pork butt or some kind of other pork that I was able to cut down, break down, and now we're just gonna let it cook in here. So with the smoker box on here, we're gonna cook this in here, cook that on here, and we got a lot of good things going on. So for the poutine challenge, this chili verde is what's gonna go in there. All right, we're gonna take this, cook it through, shred it up, put the juice aside, reserve it, and make that like the gravy. All right, so come on back, and we'll be back in the house ready to do this. Cheers. All right, guys, we got our chili verde working. It's about hour 2, hour 3. The smoker boxes are about spent. Not real smoke coming off there anymore, but it's got about 2 or 3 hours with the smoker in it, with the smoke going into the chili verde. But it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna give it another hour or so. We'll pull it out and plate the dish. All right, guys, we're back. The chili verde's off the grill, and I must say it looks damn good. Smells good. Got me a little tortilla here. I'm gonna try a little bit. Just going straight into the dish. Damn, that's good. This is easy. This is something that any random person can do. The ingredients, the directions down below. All you need is time. As long as you got time, you can do it on the grill with the smoke. You can do it in the oven. As long as you got time, you're gonna have a great chili verde. I can taste all the chilies, the heat from the enchilada sauce that I put in there. Oh man, even got some of that smoke, kind of roasted out there. All the sauce reduced, concentrating in there. It's good stuff. Come on back, we'll have some dessert, talk about the day. Thanks. Alright guys, we're back. It's been a long day. Got a lot of stuff done today. Did two videos, 2 shoots. That pork chili verde, just outstanding. I'm excited for it. Alright, so we got a little dessert. Got a little Henry McKenna. One of my guys at work gave this to me, so I'm gonna give this a shot tonight. Got me a nice Cohiba. I figure we're gonna celebrate shooting 2 videos today. It's good stuff. Appreciate you coming along this journey with me today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I respond to all my comments. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, share it, like it, do all the normal stuff I tell you guys to do. That's it. I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for stopping by today, and thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.